Good day, everyone. It's Upetlo Taker, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, uh, in today's video, we're just gonna look at the market. It's just gonna be the market breakdown. So, on this market breakdown, I'll be looking at few pairs, which is the DXY, USDCAD, GBPUSD, NASDAQ, and also gold. So, as you can see now here on our charts, we currently looking at the XY on our daily time frame. So let me just remove everything, remove all the drawings here, so that we can start with the what? With the clean chart. So as you can see now, we had this low for quite a long time. Remember, we did say that uh, DXY has to start buying, because it's been holding for quite a long time on this what? On this support. So as you can see, it came in a correction, trying to actually trap the sellers on the wrong side of the market. Then it actually started shooting to the upside. So let's just analyze this. So as you can see, after this what? After this low, we do also have this resistance here. So that means you have the potential of the market shooting to the highest point or there's a resistance. As you can see, the market has been respecting those zones for quite a long time. So for now, let's move to our 4-hour time frame, which is the 240 minutes, and try to understand what is DXY been doing for the past few days or weeks. So as you can see now, we are on our 4-hour time frame. So remember, we need to look at the left for us to predict uh, our direction, or for us to know what might potentially happen on the right. So as you can see now, let me just take this trend line. Remember, we've been having this uh, bearish move, or this descending channel. We've been having this descending channel for quite a long time now, and the channel has actually been respected and it was broken to the upside. So remember, this is a reversal pattern. It shows that now DXY had to start looking forward for more buying opportunities. Okay, as you can see now, we also have those zones here, also have those highs here, based on those touches, based on those touches. And we also have, let's say, somewhere around here, we also have, okay, yeah, somewhere around here, let's take this as our resistance and also this one. Okay, so for now, as you can see now, let's just focus on what? On the current market price, what is going on here. So let me focus on this one for now. Let me use this. Let me use this rectangle for me to be able to cater for more touches. So as you can see, NASDAQ has been buying, DXY has been buying, it's been creating this buying momentum, which is now it's been creating a what? A buying structure, which is higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher lows. So as you can see now on the current market price, look, so let's remove this for now. Yeah? So let's take it from here and also place it below here. Because as you can see, it's also been respected for quite a long time. So remember, this is not that strong zone, but we need to cater for it. Okay, so I can also adjust this to here. Yeah, so as you can see now, let's focus on this. The market came in and what? In an impulse shoot to the upside. Now it's coming back in a correction after breaking this resistance. So we know expecting the market to what? To start pushing to the upside. So remember, we need to have more confirmations on why are we saying that the market is to buy. So as you can see, let me remove this for now. So as you can see now, after this correction, we are having a what? A continuation channel, a continuation flag. So after that impulse, we actually having this correction. As you can see, this is a very corrective move. So that means now we should be looking forward for a break of this structure. And that's when you're gonna start taking buying opportunities. So let's move to our 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Yeah, let's move to 15 minutes and try to understand what is going on here. So as you can see on our 15 minutes, the market is currently in a correction. So for us to enter this, we need to what? Wait for it at least to break this and push a bit to the upside, then come back, retest. Then we take our buying opportunities to the upside. So DXY, it's bullish for me. So we should be looking for buying opportunities on DXY. So let's move to the next pair. So that means all the USD pairs have a potential of buying. The USD based pairs has the potential of buying, you know, and all the pairs that are against the USD are what has the potential of selling, you know. So let's look at USD care. I actually had this analysis here, so let me just explain it. So as you can see, we have what? We have this high, this low that has been retested for quite a long time. And we also have this resistance. So as you can see now, the market has been playing around this zones. So for now, we also have this zone, as you can see, which is, it's a very strong zone. So let's move to a 4-hour time frame and actually try to understand what is going on here. So I had this trend line like this. I had this trend line like this for me to be able to see that there might be possibilities of it breaking to the upside, you know, going to what you for the 90% rule. But remember now we need to focus on the current market price. So let me just adjust this and put it here so that it can cater all the previous touches. So as you can see now, let's move to our 1 hour time frame. So on our 1 hour time frame, we are actually experiencing a very corrective structure also, you know. So after this correction, so this means there are more possibilities of the market rejecting from here. As you can see, we also have a zone there. So let me move to my 4 hour and try to understand that, is this a strong zone or what, you know? So as you can see, based on this is a strong zone, you know? So for now, what we can look for, it's an impulse shoot to the upside, a break, a retest, then a continuation, or we might be looking forward for a push to the upside. If the market breaks this, we wait for a correction and a continuation to the downside. But based on my previous analysis, I was looking for buying opportunities because of what now. Let me just show you. So now I'm a bit biased. I'm a bit biased. So yeah, let me show you why I was looking for buying opportunities, okay, on our daily time frame. So as you can see, this is a very critical and strong zone. Ne? So as you can see now, the market what currently broke in an impulse shoot and came back to retest. I'm taking this as a retest. Taking this as a what? As a retest. Then USD has more as a potential of buying what? Buying pressure to those highs and also maybe up to those highs based on the daily structure. So remember, on our lower time frames, we should be looking forward for only entries. As you can see, it's an impulse move. Let me show you. It's an impulse move to the upside, a correction. Now you might expecting what? First tick and a second one. So yeah, this is what, yeah, this is a very strong and a critical zone. So let's move to XAUUSD. So XAUUSD, I've been looking for selling opportunities, you know. It currently came from here, gave me this push to the downside. Yeah, so as you can see now on our daily time frame, let me remove everything. So as you can see, we had this what? We had this channel here, which is a what? An ascending channel. And we know whenever we get an ascending channel, that means there are higher possibilities of the market dropping, you know. So as you can see now, you don't have to complicate things, né? You just need to keep it simple. You don't have to complicate anything. So you must know simplicity is key, you know. As you can see now, we have, that's what we have, this strong area somewhere around here. So let me, yeah, we have this as a what? As a strong area. You know, we have this as a strong area. And as you can see, the market is actually correcting like this. So for now on gold, we should be looking forward. This might be a retest and a continuation. But before we take it as a retest and a continuation, we need to go to furthermore lower time frames so that we can understand what is going on. Because I can see on our higher time frame, we actually have a very bullish candlestick. So it might be an impulse shoot. So let's try and understand what is going on here. So as you can see now, we have thus impulse shoot to the upside. So let me see if I could just try and adjust this based on this. Yeah, it makes sense now. So it might be an impulse shoot to the upside and a correction. So let's move to lower time frames to get more confirmations, because you cannot just enter for the sake of entering, you know. You need to get a clear picture. Okay, this is a bit choppy. Let me also adjust those trend lines so that they can actually make sense. You know, so for now, there is a potential that this might buy somewhere around here, maybe to this highs and drop, you know, creating a bearish channel, something like this. Might be maybe creating a continuation channel, then dropping from here, you know, it might be creating something like this. Then we might be looking for selling opportunities, or we might drop from where we are right now. So for me, actually, I'm looking for selling opportunities here on gold till this point, till this lowest low, till this low actually, and start looking for buying opportunities. Or we might be looking for more continuations to the downside. But remember, XAU is the base currency, so there are high possibilities of gold dropping based on what on the DXY pressure. But let's just be on a lookout for gold. Let's not confirm it yet. Let's just be on a lookout. GBPUSD, let's see. GBPUSD also, we've been looking forward for selling pressure, because remember, GBP is the base currency. USD, it's the second. Yeah, so okay, you can see you have this structure here, which is a what? Which is a, an ascending channel. So what's going on here? Okay, yeah, we have this highs also, ne? So let's move to our for 1 hour time frame. So remember now, as you can see, we have this type of a formation here. Ash, we just do this. Let me just do this. Yeah. Okay, so let's put it here, you know. So as you can see, we are actually experiencing a what? A reversal pattern, you know. But remember now, we need to pay attention on how is the market moving? How is the market approaching this resistance that is somewhere around here? So let me show you. We also have a what? We do have a strong resistance here somewhere around here, you know. So as you can see, let's move to our 1 hour time frame. It might be what? A correction here for the market to continue further to the downside. So GBPUSD, I'm also looking for selling opportunities to the highs. Then we're going to keep on targeting the nearest highs, you know. But if it breaks thus in an impulse, we wait for what? Wait for a correction back to the zone. Then we know we're taking our buying opportunities. Maybe it might be coming for an inverse head and shoulders, then start dropping, you know. So yeah, we should be lookout for this also on GBPUSD. Further selling opportunities, or we might be looking for that. But yeah, let's move to NASDAQ. So NASDAQ for me, it's very bullish, you know. NASDAQ for me, it's very bullish because why? According to this descending channel that we had here, and as you can see now, we are currently on a very strong resistance, and we approach this in an impulse shoot. As you can see, the candlestick, it's very bullish, you know. And now we are having something like a what? Like a retest. As you can see, we're having something like a retest. The market might be correcting, or it might be what? It might create a larger correction before shooting to the upside. But based on let's go to the 30 minutes. As you can see on our 30 minutes, it is correcting. So we should be looking for more buying opportunities on NASDAQ, So you might get something like this, or it might continue buying from here. So I need to get more confirmations. If there's at least if a candlestick closes a bit bullish or above this zone, I should be looking for more buying opportunities. Should be looking for more buying opportunities. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me in today's video. It's your boy Totoro Taker, and I'm signing out.